the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations.
Now that I have this hair tamed, I'm ready to install. They did give me a side part. Of course, I made it a little bit deeper and I gave it more of a swoop. They be doing those straight parts. I don't like straight side parts, but this is a 13x6. So just let y'all know, y'all gonna have plenty of parting space available, okay? So you could change your side parts. If you want to have a deep side part, you can. So I am going to lay this down using the Eben New York melting spray. I just recently got these and I absolutely love them. It works like the other sprays, but in my opinion, it works better. It costs a little bit more too. It costs about the same amount as the other spray and it's a much smaller can. I don't know if you can tell. So like this is this can and this is the regular can. So y'all see the difference, okay? And it costs the same. So I know initially I was like, wait a second. But I must say there is a difference. I wasn't sure if it was just like some marketing. This particular one is the keratin one. I don't know. I'm putting it on my skin. I'm not really sure what keratin is supposed to do for my skin, but whatever. They have different ones like another oil, whatever. That part I'm really sure is marketing. Like, is it really going to do anything better for our skin? I don't know. I doubt it, but I digress. All right. Let me wipe my skin real quick. You guys can see I burned my forehead. Am I the only person who's still out here burning their forehead at this big age? Please comment down below if I'm not alone. Just gonna spray this. You see the lace is just melting into the skin once I lay it down. I'm gonna tie it down for about 5 minutes to let that sit and help the lace to melt. Let me add the makeup back to my forehead. Okay, now let's see. I really like the ends cut. I feel like it looks just more healthier cut that way. I don't really want to do too much to this. What y'all think? Y'all think I should cut like a little bang? I think a little bang that might be what it needs. Let's go ahead and go for it. Let me flatten this top a little bit. Y'all gotta get inside y'all units to get it really flat. Let me add some concealer to the parting space. Root touch up, clean that concealer up. I'm lifting the hair up this time. I'm not trying to burn my forehead again. I'm just gonna bump this. Let me put my earrings on. Be right back. Okay, doll. So that's pretty much all I'm going to do to this unit. Took me long enough to straighten it, okay? At this point, who has time to style it? But I do like this look. I like the little light, soft bang that I just gave it. And surprisingly, it's holding the curl. Y'all see it? That curl ain't going nowhere. At least not right now. Not right now. It might drop within an hour, but right now, this curl is staying, okay? Now, I love the thickness and density of this unit. It's nice and full. I really prefer the ends to be trimmed just to give that like fresh doobie roller set look, you know. I think this is 160% density and this is in 16 inches. So I think this is pretty long for 16 inches. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see where it falls on me, and then I'm gonna turn around so you can see it from the back. I think this is my first time reviewing a kinky straight from MyFirstWig. I am pleasantly surprised. I do like it. It wasn't tangling up too much, even though it's 160% density, which I know for kinky straight is actually a pretty thick density. It's not bulky. And as you can see, it still is able to lay flat on top. So you're going to get a lot of bang for your buck. And it looks like it holds a curl, at least temporarily. So that's a win-win. I was going to do some baby hairs, but I just kind of feel like, you know, just going for like that little natural girl look. But I don't know, you guys. I don't really like kinky straight units. Same reason I don't like yaki units is too much like my regular hair, which means too much maintenance. But I do enjoy the naturalness that it gives. So if you're one of the natural girls, then this unit may be for you. As always, I'm going to have everything linked in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, I'm going to need your help naming this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful Fam, hit that family button, aka the follow button, and join the family. And while you're at it, go ahead and check out this video you might find it helpful as well. As always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.
Just pulled up to the house.